In this video, I'm going to talk about how to grow your Instagram following in 30 days. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer, turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls. Well, my Instagram journey started with lots of ups and downs. So I didn't follow many of the rules, and so therefore it took me a long time to build my audience. While I'm talking to you, I have about 55,000 followers and I'm a verified account on Instagram. Now I'll tell you how this journey began. This journey began with me saying I want to choose one topic and tell people why they should follow me, which meant that the most important thing was my Instagram bio. I had said, my name is Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman. That's a great story. But why are you following me and why I want them to follow, that I had not written. So I didn't know what to do for that for the longest time. So it took me a long time to understand that that's where I was missing out, and I don't want you people to miss out on that. So now I say I help entrepreneurs build digital businesses using micro videos. It appeals to some people, it doesn't appeal to some people, and then I give my story. You could say I help brides to be look as beautiful as they ever dreamed of in their favorite dream or their favorite Hollywood movie on their wedding day. Oh, so this is what you do. You don't say, oh, I'm a makeup artist, I've got 10 awards and all of that. Nobody cares. They want to know more about how you can help them. So that Instagram bio on how you can help people and why you should follow. Follow me for stories on how I take care of 6 dogs which I've rescued from different parts of the world. Interesting story, maybe for some people. Follow me for that. Follow me to understand how I take care of 2 twins at home. I've got 4 kids, both of them are twins. This is not my story, I'm just saying it could be somebody's. Follow me to understand which is the cheapest smartphone to buy with the best features that no other website tells you about. Okay, so you're a tech junkie, you want to follow. So that's your first thing, your Instagram bio. Second is your picture, right? All of our people think we're very cool and we have these pictures. What I've seen after experimenting with multiple pictures is the picture that looks at you right in the eye and smiles at you is the one that makes a heart-to-heart connection with people, and that's the picture you should have. Now, what about the background? Where are you sitting? Do what you do every day. If you're sitting in a messy room all day and you're a tech junkie and you have stuff around you, that's you. Show them you. If you are somebody who's surrounded by dogs and they're licking you in the morning, maybe you can show that image if you're talking about dogs. I'm talking about digital marketing, streetcar, entrepreneur, that kind of energy I have. So I'm always wearing this jacket with the Moguls logo, MBM logo. That's what I'm doing, okay? So that is your bio picture. Very, very important. You can do it at home, but just look at the camera and capture what is you. If you're somebody who loves to pray or read books or whatever you're doing, just have that so people understand who you are. Just one thing, make sure, do not do what you think is cool. Just have a nice sexy setup that works. It will not get you the followers that will eventually convert and make a family of followers and build a community that eventually be monetized. That won't happen. So that is a little bit about the bio and the picture that you have. Now it comes to hashtags. Now I have used and not used hashtags multiple times. People are not using hashtags, it's still working. People are using hashtags, it's still working. So I tried both the things, but now I've come to this conclusion. There's no harm, so why not put those hashtags? What are hashtags? Hashtags basically tells the algorithm which family you belong to. Like my name is Arya, your name is Nikhil Arora, somebody's name is Nikhil Tyagi, you could be Pooja Batra, you could be Salman Khan, whoever you are, you know which family you belong to, right? So somewhere on a roll call, a register, whatever, you put people in separate buckets, so you can say all these Aryas, all these people can hear whatever. Or everybody's from Delhi, or all of us are we all love to go to the gym, or this is Streetcar Racers Club. So it's like a club that gets formed, and it gives the search engine, the algorithm, the message that these people are plugged into this. So because Instagram also has a Instagram search, people search under the hashtag to see which are the posts under that hashtag. So that's how hashtags work. How do you make hashtags work? I'll tell you how I work. People have different strategies. I put hashtags into a pyramid thing, and I say which are the top level hashtags, which are more generic. Digital marketing, okay, internet marketing, social media marketing. These are the generic hashtags for me. If you're a makeup artist, it could be makeup artist or bridal makeup and all of that. The second level are more detailed, which could be digital marketing in India. digital marketing with in Vancouver, social media marketing for entrepreneurs. So that's my second level of keywords, hashtags. Third level of keywords is Vancouver Micro Video Mastery Program, which is what I am teaching. It could be about my program, or it could be India digital marketing with videos. So it becomes a little more detailed. Actually, there's one more fourth which I could tell you. That is your own hashtag, which is under your own name. Hashtag Micro Video Mastery, hashtag Micro Audio Mastery, hashtags Internet Moguls. These are hashtags which I will then use when I go for a conference or I'm doing a webinar and I tell people, create a post and put this same hashtag Internet Mogul on your next post. So people will put that on the post and then they start seeing results coming in, and under that hashtag when people type, they'll have posts from everywhere. So these are 4 levels of hashtags. So we covered the bio, we covered the picture, we covered the hashtag. Now the other thing I wanted to cover about Instagram is that the best thing that I've learned about Instagram is you need to ask questions. Which do you think is a better marker? Which do you think I should write with? Orange or green? Just don't feel like working today. You think I should go back to sleep or hustle like I planned? I've got 2 dogs, Rufus and Dude. Rufus needs to go to the doctor, and Dude needs to be fed. What should I do first? Should I take him to the doctor and feed him later? Or what should I do? I'm just kidding. I am launching a new course, Micro Video Mastery and Micro Audio Mastery. One is where I'm going to teach you how to use the mic, audio, podcast and all of that to grow your business, and the other I'm going to teach you how to do videos. Which one do you think I should launch first? Ask people questions, because when you ask, they will reply. When they reply, they will give you comments. When you give comments, not only will the audience engage with you, but you will start seeing that the algorithm gets fired up in the first few seconds. Oh, this guy put a post, people are liking it, show it to more people, show it to more people. Because obviously, these guys are businesses. They put in algorithms to see which of the posts people are liking, engaging with, show it to more people. So always ask a question. Get a comment, make people feel important. That always works. Now comes to the fact that you say, Avi, how else do you engage with your customers? Once a week, sometimes every day, depending on how creative you are, you can run a contest. So I am giving away the Ask Arya book and the Robin Sharma 5 AM Club, and I've got 10 other books to give away, and I've got 20 more to give away. And so if you want these books, let me know in the comments below. I teach the Micro Video Mastery program. What are the 3 things that you learned from my program from yesterday's webinar? The top 4 winners will get this book shipped to you right away. Post it in the comment below. You can put a video like this, you can put an audio note like this, you can put a post like this, and people will start engaging. So it's a contest, plus you also get feedback about your course and what people like. Going further, I spoke about the contest, we spoke about Q&A and all of that. Further, you can say, you make a nice post from the heart, happy moments. We're all human beings. We feel sad, we feel anxious, we feel depressed, we feel whatever. In the morning, I was feeling anxious, and I went back to my drawing book. I've got a drawing book. Adult drawing has come back. So I just drew something and I felt so much better. Or in the morning, I was feeling depressed, and I just opened the Bhagavad Gita and I went to page number 59 and I read, it said one thing, सुबह की पहली पहर में एक ऐसी दौलत लुटती है जो जागत है सो पावत है, जो सोवत है वो कोवत है. The first phase of the morning at 4 AM or something gets you the knowledge that you need. People who wake up and get this knowledge are the people who are winners, and the rest of them take time. So I thought this would really help. If you're an early morning riser, I want to say all the best. You will do well. Don't worry about today. If you like this message and you think this message brought you even a glimmer of hope and peace, please tag 2 of your best friends, because other people deserve to know about this. So what will happen is, not only will you be spreading positivity, but your Instagram posts will get more comments, more likes, and more tags. When other people are tagged, then you get new followers from other places, and they say, interesting post, I like this guy. They'll check out your other posts and you'll get followers. Another idea I'll give you is, at the end of all these kind of videos, I always say one thing. Go ahead, follow me, or tell 2 of your friends to follow us. Let's build a community where we are all together. See, everybody who watches a good movie or a good entertainment thing or a show or Netflix or whatever, you have to tell your friend, boss, I saw something on it was amazing, I really liked it. So your post will also be that, but you have to ask. You have to ask people to say, get in the community, that's the thing, or follow me, or go to my Instagram page, or all of that. The other thing is, if you have an ebook, I love to make ebooks or short video courses. A video course could be 15 to 60 minutes, which I call a mini course, a mini MBM course. And I make a course and I upload it in the bio, and I tell people, my name is Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, streetcar racer, turned hotelier, now social media marketer, founder of Internet Moguls. I've created a course only for consultants and coaches who want to start making money using videos during these troubled times. I've got a short course, it's absolutely free. All you need to do is tag one friend and then go to my Instagram bio and click on the link and download it. And don't forget to come back and put it in the comment how you like the course. The top 5 people are going to get these 5 books from me. So people will download your course and you will get their email addresses and phone numbers, and you will get people to experience your course. They will finish it, come back, write a comment again. So you see what you're doing now. You're using Instagram to funnel people to your course. This could be on your website where you're collecting your emails and all of that, and then you have the permission to market to them. And then you could do what I do for my webinars. I create an ad and I talk about what I'm going to do, and I say click on the link and get into my bio. Register from there. People will register from there. So then you start. Now I'm talking about creating links and using Instagram to funnel it out and give you the desired marketing objective. Buy my ebook, get into my course, come for my webinar, but always give so much value that people say, you know what, I'm scrolling and I'm having fun, I'm talking to people. Now all of a sudden I like this guy, what he said, and I go and click, that goes to his website. So you're shifting his experience, right? So when you're shifting somebody's experience, you should have the respect to be able to shift it in the most beautiful way possible so that they feel loved and appreciated and cared for. You know, you can't have a stark different page. Your page is red, white and this thing, you take them to an orange page. Whenever I come up, maybe it's a nice seamless experience and you're giving them something for free and then you're sending in a thank you message. So make a nice funnel when you're taking somebody off the experience. You know, don't be ruthless when you're taking them off Instagram. That's what I feel and that's what I tell my people. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, if you're liking this video so far, can I ask you now to go and hit the subscribe button and tell other people about this channel. My name is Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, streetcar racer, turned hotelier, now social media marketer, founder of Internet Moguls. Signing off for now.